Hi everyone, welcome to this video about Project 3 of CS50W course by Harvard University. This project requires you to build a website that allows users to register, log in, and order pizzas and other foods from Pinocchio's Pizza and Subs, a famous pizza place near Harvard. So that's it. Let's see how this website works. So this is the home page of the site, and here you can see the whole menu, and you can also add items to the shopping cart. So for example, let's add a regular two toppings pizza with pepperoni and onions. Let's add a turkey. Let's do it large. For example, a Sicilian three toppings pizza with again sausage, onions, and pineapple. But let's think again, and we want to remove the pineapple because pineapple on pizza, seriously. And we can add green peppers instead. Okay, and let's add a couple more things like Greek salad right away and meatball sub. Let's do it large. Okay, so we added a lot of several things to our card. Here we can see the total amount updated. To actually be able to place an order, we need to log in first. So let's click here. We are brought to the login page in which we can log in with an existing account if we have one, or we can register. Let's do this. Once we are registered, we can see our username up here, and we can also see that the cart elements are still in place. Now that we are logged in, we can actually place the order, and we land here in this order confirmation page in which we can see summary of our order, the total amount, and we can choose to either confirm or go back and modify the order. So let's do this. Let's go back and remove the large meatball and go on again. And this time we want to confirm the order. As a logged in user, we can also go to this page to see our personal information, and we can also change our account password. We can also see this page in which all the orders we previously made are visible with their current status. Right now the order is pending. For example, I now logged in with a different user, and you can see a lot of orders. Most of them are completed. The last one is in preparation. If I log in as an administrator, I can see also this page in which are present all the orders that has been submitted to the site. And in this page, I can also advance an order status. So for example, this order is in status pending. I can advance it and it becomes in preparation. I can advance this order, for example, in preparation. I click here and became completed. So that's it for this quick tour of my website. I hope you enjoyed it, or that this video may give you some interesting ideas for your projects. Thank you again and see you.